Hey, what's up? Sam here. Xiaomi has just announced its newest OS, MIUI 12. Right now, seems there's no real English hands-on video on this OS. Well, for me, I got the Chinese beta version of the MIUI 12 on my Mi 9 phone for several days, and for this video, I just set the language to English, so it's sort of an English hands-on video. Anyway, let's break down the new features of MIUI 12. So first I want to show you the super wallpapers. I already set the phone to display wall with arm mode, so when I lock the phone, it will enter this interface. When I press the power button and then unlock, whoa! Guys, just check out the animations. I can literally have fun with this all day long. Right now, there are only two super wallpapers available, Mars and Earth. Maybe there will be more later. The reason why the super wallpapers look awesome is that Xiaomi has pre-created high-precision animated 3D models of Mars and Earth based on space data from NASA. Thumbs up for that. Next, I want to show you the new animations that I added to MIUI 12. They are really a lot. Among them, what I really like is what they call new sensory visual design. What this basically means is that now when you visit the settings page on your phone or check out things like storage availability, you will see the system information presented in the form of graphs and visual diagrams, making it easier to understand which is which. When I move the phone, you see this storage icon flows like a cup of water. It's even gravity sensing. Another thing worth mentioning is the icon animation. Let me swipe down on the MIUI 12 and compare with MIUI 11. You see on the MIUI 12, the icons kind of bouncing back a little bit before settling down. Also, for the single app icon, it will now generate real-time feedback based on your gestures. For instance, when you delete an app, the report animation will also affect the surrounding app icons. But according to our test, this does not apply to other third-party apps, only on apps that come with the system. Also, when you exit an app, the app itself has this cool animation accordingly. This is not something new, but I feel much smoother on the MIUI 12. Another new animation I have to mention is what I call the frame matching. Just check out the corner. When you swipe up or down, you can see this page's corner is gradually matching perfectly to your phone's corner. If you compare with other phones like Samsung's, the page just doesn't match the phone's hardware frame at all when you swipe up or down. Surely there are more new animations like for screen rotation, buttons, those. Xiaomi said they put numerous efforts on optimizing these details. In my opinion, they may look unnoted, but it's really crucial for a smoother and better user experience. What do you think? For multitasking, this is a really cool and new feature. Basically, when you are in the middle of something and someone sends you a message, you can now swipe down on the notification panel to check the information without having to abandon what you are doing. You can also move the panel to other four corners you like. If you want to enter the full screen, then fully swipe down the panel again. Amazing, isn't it? This is really useful in many scenarios, like when you are taking an Uber or ordering takeout. You will know the real-time status of them while you are doing other tasks on your phone. For health tracking, this is unbelievable. You can just put your phone on your bedside table when you are sleeping, then it will track your sleep, like how long you slept, when you go to bed and when you wake up, deep sleep and light sleep duration, and even record your snoring talking. Really? I snore that much? Oh, my poor wife. If you ask me the accuracy of the data, I would say it's not bad, but not very accurate as well. Of course, you can record your steps, calories, and workouts by just placing your Xiaomi phone in your pocket. Not more to the last but not least feature, AI calling. Actually, Xiaomi has been training its AI assistant, Xiaomi, to answer calls for users since last year, and as of now, the Xiaomi assistant has answered 4 million calls for closed beta users. It's similar to Google's call screen feature, not sure if you're familiar with that. With AI calling, you can customize the language in which you want your call to be answered. You can also switch between automatic call, manual call answering. And sorry guys, I just tried English, but it just doesn't work.
Who is this?
I guess it's because of my MIUI 12 is not the global version, or this feature is not available yet for non-Chinese speakers. I don't know. Anyways, it's a cool feature and it can be applied to many situations like dealing with call spammers or when you are not convenient to answer calls, and it can be extremely useful to those hearing or speech impaired person. Alright, that's the video. Surely there are lots of other important updates of MIUI 12 I didn't mention, like the privacy update or some other new gestures. If you want to see more of that, please subscribe to our channel by clicking right here. We update more when we know more. And what's your favorite new features of the MIUI 12? Please let us know by commenting below. I'm Sammy. See you next time.